Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4. What have we got? We've got a brand new X-Terrain Isuzu D-Max here. Excuse the fact that the tail lights aren't in there. The guys have already got started in it, but what we're doing to this one is getting a roller shutter fitted. First and foremost, if it's got the liner fitted on it, you do need to make sure that you cut that down to make sure that you've got enough space for the canister so you guys can have a nice clean look at that. All right. This one's going to get a OEM sports bar refitted as well, so keep an eye out for that video. We've gone ahead and put the foam tape on top here as well to make sure that it is as sealed as possible. That comes in the kit. All right, other than that, let's get through the assembly and get right into the fitment of it.
baby. I haven't played nice, yet he still wants me. I give him hell, but heaven sent him. I come down, there's no more second guessing. I'm coming to my senses. He's been here all along, and yeah, he's all mine. Right here where I left him, not taking any chances. I'm coming in hot, asteroid. I crumble in the quiet, but he knows how to hold me, and I burn to dim pride. He stays right beside me. He sees through all my flames. When I try to hide it, I crash, I break, I scream, but I still drive him crazy. I haven't played nice, yet he still wants me. I give him hell, but heaven sent him. Come down, there's no more second guessing. I'm coming to my senses. He's been here all along, and yeah, he's all mine. Right here where I left him, not taking any chances. I'm coming in hot, asteroid. Come down, there's no more second guessing. Coming to my senses. He's been here all along, and yeah, he's all mine. Right here where I left him, not taking any chances. Coming in hot, asteroid. Just like an 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 asteroid. You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted, the money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? The pity fees flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear, my dear. Staring face to face with the mirror, like a zero. No one's gonna pick you up. Don't need a mask or a hero, like a zero, but this ain't where you stand. Like an empire, building towers and breaking heights. You wanted to be her. Well, guess what? You're what you never had. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, you learn how to breathe, and now the weather's clear, my dear. Standing face to face with the mirror, like a zero. No one's gonna pick you up. Don't need a mask or a hero, like a zero, and it ain't here to stop. Now your face.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of that one there. You can see we were able to get that OEM sports bar refitted. While we're at it, I'm going to go through the operation of it as well. Right, earlier I called it an X-Terrain. This is actually the X-Rider. Right, but it's got the X, man. You can't blame me. All X-Terrains already come with the roller for your reference. Now, very, very straightforward. Operate it, all you do is pull first, press the button. Once you press the button, it will roll all the way forward. If you don't want it to go all the way, there's a controller underneath the handle that allows you to stop it halfway like so. You can see OEM sports bar fits on really, really nicely if we do say so ourselves. Look at that. Let me draw attention to it. No rego plate on there. The customer hasn't even seen its car yet because our lovely, lovely friends at Sinclair Isuzu have sent this one to us. If it's good enough, brand new you, for all the dealer work that we do, it'll be good enough for you. OzCanopies.com.au is the place to grab it. Give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.